The Puzau WRS571CIHZ04 freezer shelf is a perfect fit. It measures 17.5 inches by 13 inches. This glass shelf is a genuine W11,130,200 part. It works with many Whirlpool models. For instance, it fits the WRS571CIHZ04. WRS571CIHZ01, and WRS571CIHW04. It also fits the WRS571CIHZ04. This shelf is like a new foundation. It restores order to your freezer. Furthermore, it brings back lost storage space. You can easily organize frozen foods. Therefore, no more jumbled items. This Whirlpool 17.5 by 13 inches freezer shelf truly helps. Moreover, installing this shelf is simple. It slides right into place. The glass is sturdy and clear. It lets light shine through. This makes items easy to spot. No more digging for lost peas. The shelf feels durable. It supports many items. Consequently, you can store more. This Whirlpool 17.5 by 13 inches freezer shelf is a lifesaver. It refreshes your freezer's look. Additionally, it improves its function. Think of it as a new window. It brightens your freezer's interior. This is a crucial upgrade. Ultimately, this Whirlpool 17.5 by 13 inches freezer shelf is a worthwhile purchase. It offers excellent value. Your freezer will thank you. It will feel brand new. You will love the added space. It's an ideal replacement. Furthermore, it's a perfect spare. Consider it an essential freezer accessory. Truly, it makes freezer organization simple. This shelf is a small change. Yet, it makes a big difference. Buy it. You will not regret it. Pros: perfect replacement, high quality glass, great value, fits perfectly, fraction of original price, fits exactly, matches OEM shelves, perfect for our fridge, well made, perfect fit. What a bargain. Highly recommend. Cons: plastic trim not adequately adhered, trim pieces loose, needed to glue trim, felt unlike OEM shelves, super expensive, way overpriced at $84.99. Features: brand, Puzau, part type, freezer shelf, model number, WRS571CIHZ04 material, glass, compatible with WRS571CIHZ01, compatible with WRS571CIHW04, compatible with WRS571CIHZ00. Replaces W11,130,200 shelf. Easy to fit. This Puzau freezer shelf is a glass shelf. About 17.5 inches by 13 inches. It's designed to fit specific Whirlpool freezer models, including WRS571CIHZ04, WRS571CIHZ01, WRS571CIHW04, and WRS571CIHZ00. It's an easy-to-install replacement for the original W11,130,200 shelf. This Puzau WRS571CIHZ04 freezer shelf, with a glass shelf measuring 17.5 by 13 inches, part number W11130200, is a perfect replacement for several Whirlpool models, including WRS571CIHZ04, WRS571CIHZ01, WRS571CIHW04, and WRS571CIHZ00. Many users found it to be a great value and a perfect fit that closely matches OEM shelves at a fraction of the original price. However, some users noted that the plastic trim was not adequately adhered and felt unlike OEM shelves, with some needing to glue the trim pieces themselves. Additionally, a few found it to be super expensive or way overpriced at $84.99.